Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm just doing a follow-up video on when my truck went in to get fixed. I had posted it on the community Facebook page, but not everybody goes there. It ended up being the crank sensor was bad. They did all kind of tests. It had thrown 4 codes, 3 of them which could have had to do with the sensor. So anyway, they ended up, actually they ordered an aftermarket one. That one got there, they tested it, and that one was bad. So then they got one directly from Ford and got that in there, and so far it's working really good. I picked up my truck, I don't know, 3-4 days ago, and then it just sat at the farmhouse, and then the last 2 days I've put on just a little over 700 miles on it. So I would think if something was going to go wrong with that, it would have happened. My check engine light did come back on yesterday, and I don't know if that has to do with that fuel pump that needs to be replaced underneath there, the lift, whatever it was. But I'd have to bring it in later this week for the oil change. It's time, and when I do that, I'll have them switch that out at the same time. Well, thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I just wanted to make sure that I did an update video. I was going to do it 2 days ago, but it's been so windy outside that every time you try to film out there, all you get is the wind sound. So I decided to do it today while I'm driving. I will see you guys on the next video.